Almost all aircraft owners feel that maintenance is the worst part of aircraft ownership. All too often, it ends up taking too much time and costing too much money. Savvy Aviation launched its SavvyMx program in 2008, so you don't need to go it alone. Backed by the most experienced team of GA maintenance experts in the industry, SavvyMx clients have saved millions of dollars and countless hours of hassle. Think of us as your maintenance representatives, much as you might think of an attorney or tax professional as your representatives in those fields of expertise. We represent your interests as maintenance is done to your aircraft. Here's how it works. First, we assign you a personal account manager, a seasoned A&P IA with extensive expertise in your aircraft make and model. Your account manager will help find the best maintenance facility for each job. Over the years, we've learned which shops and mechanics to trust, and, more importantly, which ones to avoid. Then, we provide oversight over the shop's work. We're very good at saying no to unnecessary maintenance, which can cut your costs dramatically. We'll also help your mechanic find affordable parts and help him troubleshoot tough problems. Our team's diagnostic and troubleshooting skills are unparalleled in the industry, using borescope and engine data analysis. When the work is done, we scrutinize your invoices to make sure they're fair and that you're not being overcharged, and ensure logbook entries are complete and accurate. Our flagship SavvyMx service costs $750 a year for piston singles, $1,000 a year for piston twins. We almost always save you far more money on maintenance than the modest fee we charge for this service, which is one reason SavvyMx clients are some of the most loyal and satisfied in the industry. But that's not all. SavvyMx subscribers are entitled to 2 additional Savvy services at no additional cost. A full subscription to Savvy Analysis Pro is included, providing professional analysis of your engine, monitor data by our team of professional analysts. Our breakdown assistance service, Savvy Breakdown, is also included. Think of it as AAA for GA. You'll have access to our 24/7 toll-free hotline should you ever have a problem with your aircraft while away from home on a trip. Don't just take our word for it. See what our clients have to say about SavvyMx. Visit our website to get started today.